ABS, foam pads, moving side to side. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. Now, real quick before we move into the quick 5-minute segment on this tile related tool, I would love for you to support my channel. Buy yourself a mug. Link in the description below. Christmas is around the corner. This is great for all of those tile fanatics. We've got Tile Life and Keep Calm and Tile On. Okay, here's the tool. Rolling knee creeper. This thing is fantastic for flooring jobs. Good for a DIYer or homeowner, good for a contractor. It serves two purposes. It protects your knees and it speeds up the process of tiling a large flooring job. The frame is made of rugged ABS. You have foam pads here to protect your knees. It's great for installing tile, it's great for grouting tile. Has a built-in compartment here to store small tools, pencils, tape measures. It can hold up to 250 pounds. You have 2-inch casters for mobility. And it's simply a very inexpensive tool to relieve back pain, to protect your knees. So like usual, we'll bring the camera up close, show you what this looks like up close, then we'll go outside and show you how it works. So here it is. ABS, foam pads, little compartment here to store small tools. It has a handle. Here's the back. 5 casters, 5 wheels, rubber wheels. It's very lightweight, it's very inexpensive. It's a no-brainer if you're installing anywhere from 300 all the way up to 3,000 square feet. It helps you to install quickly from moving side to side. It protects your knees and helps out with back pain. This thing runs about 25 bucks as usual. I'll leave a link in the description below with specs and pricing. Let's go outside, show you how this works. Here we go. Now keep in mind guys, this is for demonstration purposes only. This is good for 300 square feet all the way up to 3,000 square feet. So not only is it good for installing, it's also good for grouting as well. Well, there you have it guys, the rolling knee crawler. A great, inexpensive way to protect your knees and relieve your back. It can be used for tiling, grouting, painting, landscaping, working on your car. If you think this can be useful, go buy it. Link in the description below. And while you're at it, buy yourself a mug. As usual, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. ABS, foam pads, moving side to side.